Hi everyone, it's Nico from Redirect.Monster. Today I'm just going to show you a quick demo about how to add a host name or domain to enable redirections. So now I'm on Redirect.Monster website, go to my account, and here I got two menus, redirection and host name. And let's start by adding a host name. The host name is basically domain or a subdomain that you can add from which you're gonna redirect your web traffic. So if I had a host name, let's say I'm using Cloudflare, I have a new domain tinycode.dev that I want to use to create redirection. This is what I'm going to take, tiny-code.dev. Yeah. And actually, let's say that I don't want to root from the bare domain, but I want to use a subdomain named monster. Yeah. So basically what I need to do, I need to go to my DNS record from tiny.code.dev and then modify, create a name, an entry and a monster of type A, and basically routing the traffic to Redirect.Monster. Yeah, so let's do that. So here on Cloudflare, but basically it works like with any other registrar pretty easily. So you add a record of type A, it's already selected here. I take monster as a name, and then I'll add the IP address of Redirect.Monster, remove the proxy status, and let's save it. So now this is activated. I already did. So now, if I just add the host name, basically, PAM, it's already validated. Basically, Redirect.Monster, check my DNS entries, verify first that it's me to enable the redirections. And then let's say, and now if I just go directly to monster.tiny.dev, you basically have nothing. Yeah. And actually in that case, I got an error because of missing certificates, but actually you have nothing behind that for the time. Yeah. But what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add a redirection. So that will be for any request coming to monster.tiny.code.dev, and then let's say I want to redirect to Redirect.Monster. And I want to do a permanent redirection. Yeah. So let's create a redirection. Let's wait a bit. Actually, it's already deployed. And so when I go to monster.tiny.code.dev, here you go, we directly land on Redirect.Monster. If I just try it again, here you go, directly redirected to Redirect.Monster. All right, so that was it. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, see you next time.